Yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops as it was meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt, beat the scenery. Telephone rang, then it stopped before I could answer it. I heard a knock at the door, so I answered it. And with Jermaine, he had a little situation.
Boom, it is a hot summer day here in Texas. We are at the Texas Motorplex here in Ennis, doing a test and tune day, have a couple of cars coming out. Most importantly, want to show you Trevor's GTR. Getting ready to run in the Rocky Mountain Race Series. So coming to do a shakedown, some fine tuning before the event. Make sure everything is tip top before we hit the road.
Wrong if I ain't helping when it's beef, he gon' rush and he said, listen, homie, ain't no time for discussion. Motherfucking pressure's rising in this board in the bustin'. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got to make you read a book, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for show. Kiss my girl up on the head and in the wind up the dough.
Not gonna get too close to this side of the trailer right now because there's a little bit of drama. Looks like we're not seeing oil pressure in Trevor's GTR right now. I think there is oil pressure. I think it's just a sensor that is wrong right now, but we have the crew trying to figure it out right now. Let me get some test passes out.
2 hours later.
So unfortunately there was a problem with the car. We're not 100% certain what it is yet, but we're gonna have to pack it in for the night, bring this back to the Jotech shop, take a look at it in the morning, hopefully still get on the road, make it out to Kansas in time, but really, that's just racing, guys. Got to roll with the punches. We're gonna see what we make it happen, and hopefully we can salvage this.
All right, so update, latest bad news on Trevor's car. So after the dyno recap, everything was good. I test drove it. Drove the car to the alignment shop. Everything's good. Loaded up into the trailer. Went to the track, about to shake it down to make a hit. And we pull out the car and it lost oil pressure completely. So we canceled the test session. Got the car back. Christian and them got in at 6 in the morning. Checked out. Hopefully it was a oil pressure sensor, wiring, loose ground, anything like that. That's a quick fix and just get them back onto the track. But it turns out it's a oil pump. So something internally broke in the oil pump. It's either the gear or the drive or chain. Something just gave out. We verified it. It's lost oil pressure. So it's tomorrow's the race. There's no way we can get the car back together. So now it's a big disappointment.
Well, we can fix it. Get her here for the next event.
This is music for the soul.
Please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the crease. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the
All right, we made it down the road. We are here at the drag strip just outside of Tulsa, Oklahoma. We have both of our cars off the trailer now, here for the test and tune Seth's C8 Corvette. We got Trevor's GTR right over here. Trevor couldn't make it today, so Kenny's gonna put on the suit and helmet, get this thing down the track and shake it down. Remember guys, we're getting these ready for the Rocky Mountain Race Series, so today we're not gonna push them that hard. Just do some test and tune, shake them down, make sure we're ready to go for race week coming up.
We did just what the
I was the black cat. I used to have bad luck. Never really matter that much. A college dropout, and if it don't add up, a brother stayed on the move. Glad I packed up, slipping, falling on some X shit, and I rhyme excess. Line off, where the fuck the exit? Not that I want to, guess I must accept it. But my flow is on lockdown, arrested. Body bag, walking off on the Cruise bomb, Baghdad bars. He spit but be too calm. Mason Margello on, looking too proud. Nassau fly, might bring the whole crew down. Please clear the land down. Top floors, the grand
See the
step.
freshman was cool, but now they super seniors. And you should fuck with me, fools, cause I'm super genius. And see the freshman was cool, but now they super seniors. And you should fuck with me, fools.
So Kenny, sounded like things just got a little bit more interesting, huh?
Yeah. Well, obviously the number one qualifier, he's a 750 car. There's no way that, you know, Trevor's car is gonna beat him. But the good news is we're gonna win $500.
Hey.
Yeah, for sure. Because well, it's either $500 or $800. First place is $1,200. Second place is $800. Last place is $500. So winner, chicken dinner. We're gonna stop by that casino on the way home.
All right, let's get it down the track. Woo! 8.7 at 165. That's moving.
And I'm a chef at this pan, peep what I'm cooking. See the freshman was cool, but now they super serious. And you should fuck with me, fools, cause I'm super genius. Hey, Joe.
So test and tune was a success. Both cars running healthy. Both cars running great. We're gonna go ahead and pack it in and get back down the road to Dallas. We got another week before we hit Rocky Mountain Race Series. So we'll see you guys there. Thanks for tuning in.
But it need a more
See the freshman was cool, but now they super